Hey friends, happy Saturday. Have you ever used Scorch Paste? That's what we're doing on this little mini riser today. This is Tammy with my whimsical day, and this is the June Craft Club kit from Magnolia Design Co. And June's almost over, and I'm just finally getting around to doing it. Wish I would have done it soon. I love how it turned out. So it comes with that riser and this silk screen transfer. It comes with a little package of Scorch Paste right there. I'm just kind of kneading it and mixing it up together. And then it comes with the little squeegee and instructions. And so you just squeeze a little bit out, and then you just use your squeegee and press it all over, making sure you get the entire design. And then it just goes down in that design, and then you squeegee the excess up. You don't leave a bunch of blotches or lumps of it or anything. You just get it so it's nice and smooth. And making sure to get till the design covers the whole thing. Get your Scorch Paste in every little part. Now I'm just kind of making sure I get everywhere, and I'm just getting up that last little bit now. Making it nice and smooth. Now just set that aside, and you just carefully, slowly pull up your transfer, and it needs to sit at least 10 minutes and dry. And so I went and washed my transfer in my kitchen sink, just rinsed it all off with warm water, and just set it sticky side up to dry. And I'm just saving the rest of my Scorch Paste so I can use that on another project. There's probably at least one more, but probably 2 more projects in that little sample thing. And now, after you've let it sit 10 minutes, the fun begins. And so you use, if you've got a heat tool, great. If not, it will work with a blow dryer, but it takes a little bit longer because the blow dryer doesn't get as hot as these heating tools do. So you just keep going over it, and it just scorches in there. And the longer you leave it on there, the darker it gets. And you can just see as we go down, it just scorches and makes that beautiful design of the silk screen transfer stencil. Isn't that awesome? I just love this. And it's so quick, so easy. And now I've got a cute little mini riser to use, and it turned out so cute. I hope this inspires you to make something similar. The link to the craft club on Magnolia site will be linked below this video. Thanks for watching, and you have a whimsical day.